عید نوروز اولی سال است. روزی عیش و نشاط اطفال است. همه آن روز رختی نو پوشند، چای و شربت به خوشدلی نوشند. نوروز جشن و آیین آریایی است. ما مردم تاجیک از نژاد آریاییم، پس نوروز پاره فرهنگی ماست. نوروز درخت است همیشه سبز در باغ شاداب زندگی. بخشیده به جشن بین المللی نوروز در مؤسسه تحصیلات میانه عمومی رقم 3 تحت راهبری آموزگار فنی زبان انگلیسی بازار و تهمینه با خوانندگان صنف 7B در موضوع نوروز درس گشاده نمونوی دایر گردید. نخست درس را معلمه آغاز بخشیده، سپس خوانندگان با زبان انگلیسی درباره جشن نوروز و 7 سین و 7 شین آن معلومات داده شعرها قرائت نمودند.
Stand up, everyone. Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, teacher.
Sit down, please. Open your book and notebook and prepare to listen. How are you guys?
I am good.
I am perfect. How are you guys?
I'm fine.
I hope so.
Okay, excellent. Who is on duty today? Nazanin, please.
I am on duty today. My name is Nazanin. The 30th of March. Today is a Tuesday. Gulnoza absent.
Okay, guys, who is our president?
The founder of peace and national unity, leader of the nation, respectable Emmanuel Rahman.
Do you know in Russian language who is our president?
Наш президент, основатель мира и национального лидер нации Эмомали Рахмон.
Who know in Tajik language who is our president?
اساسگزار سلو وحدت ملی پیشوای ملت محترم امامی رحمان.
Who is the chairman of South region?
First Deputy Chairman of the Majlis Milli and Majlis Oli of the Republic of Tajikistan Rajab Ahmadzoda.
Who is our mayor city?
Our mayor city is Abdughali Kholiqzoda.
Okay, guys, what was your home task? What was your home task? And Sharwan, please.
Our home task was about information about seasons.
Okay, excellent. Who is ready for the home task?
It is summer, the weather is very hot, the days are long, the nights are short. The school children is like summer holidays.
It is winter ago, the air short and long, December, January and February.
Spring, March, April and May, spring season. It is a very beautiful season. My friend Mehrona and I often go to the park in spring. We like spring very much because the flowers and trees blooms in spring.
It is autumn. The wind is cold and the leaves are yellow and brown. The month of autumn is September, October and November. The autumn comes often the summer.
Our new lesson is Наврӯз. Can you tell me about Наврӯз? Do you know information about Наврӯz? Who know information about Наврӯз?
Navruz alternative spelling is Nuruz, Nevruz, Nuruz or Nuruz. Also known as Persian New Year, means New Day in Persian. It celebrated across ethnic groups with a common areas in Afghanistan, India, Iran, Iraq, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan.
The holiday celebrates the spring with Zoroastrian. Says a representation of the spring with Zoroastrian. Says represents them of the religion.
Our nation served our food in Navruz is Sumalak, it means Sortimalak.
Navruz is a very special holiday in Tajikistan for signal the arrival of spring. After Labor Day was celebrated online by in the traditional lights on in Tajikistan.
It's season of Navruz, 30-day festival that marks the start of spring and millions of people. Navruz is celebrated of the first day spring. Of the first day spring, the calendar of the annual Navruz. Navruz is a period Zardush 3,500. It's 5,000.
Sabzi, polo, aromatic herb, rice, mahi, fish, sometimes smoked of these days, anything goes. Cuckoo, sabzi, Parisian, herb, frittata, cutlet, Parisian, meat, patties, salad, shirazi, a refreshing cucumber, tomato and onion salad, rishte polo, onion, rishte polo, rice, balls, toasted noodles. Наврӯз is one must raised holiday is Tajikistan, sometimes known as Persian New Year. Наврӯз is chance to celebrate nature and welcome New Year and to enjoy flower food with friends, neighbor and family.
King Jamshed or in the Arab reggae to the musical of King Jamshed. King Jamshed Arab reggae to the musical of King Jamshed.
On this holiday, it is customary to visit squares, patriotic baking, folk festivals, visit each other's and treat to spring dishes, and it not just smalak. It is also customary to cook dishes 2 gram pilav, green samsa, lamb dishes, shurpa, Swiss lamb, and pastries on Наврӯз.
Is Наврӯз haram in Islam? Conclusion: it is not permissible for them to celebrate Наврӯз on to mark this actual blue holiday.
Historical accounts suggest that Nowruz celebration Persepolis during the Achaemenid Empire.
Also known as the Persian New Year, Наврӯз is one of the oldest hemisphere countries including Central Asia. The Наврӯz holiday marks the beginning of spring and meant the New Year for many their countries during March 31 as one. It is a celebration.
The Tajik has 3 national festivals: Sadan, Наврӯз, and Mehruban.
Наврӯз is a symbol of rejuvenation and repeat it happy.
Traditional singing cleanse the house and buy some new clothes to start the year fresh.
In Persian mythology, it is King Jamshed who is credited with the founding Nowruz as the beginning the ancient Iranian calendar. By Kurdish legend, the same event is said to have coincided with the victory of King Faridun over the usurper.
As you have discovered the history of Наврӯз, Наврӯz is rich and has been passed down to generations who have adopted many of the rich and has some cultural tradition of Central Asia.
Наврӯз occurs celebration of life, occur breakfast. Our new lesson is Наврӯз. Наврӯz is celebration of spring and renewal. It marks the vernal equinox and March 21st. More than 300 million people worldwide celebrate Наврӯz. It is recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage. K. Tradition and customs. 1. Khaneftikani homes undergo through spring cleaning and have seen and have seen. Special dish like smalak and pilav are preparing. Наврӯз ро мо дар баҳор ва навсозии баҳор ҷашн мегирем. Наврӯз инчунин 21 март ҷашн гирифта мешавад ва зиёда аз 300 миллион одамони ҷаҳон Наврӯзро ҷашн мегиранд. Наврӯз дар ЮНЕСКО ҳамчун маросими бузург дарҷ гардидааст ва қабул карда шудааст. Калиди анъана ва урфу одатҳо ин хонабаророн одамон пеш аз Наврӯз медонеманд ки хонаҳояшонро мебаронанд, хонаҳоро тоза мекунанд. Инчунин ҳафтсин ва ҳафтшин ин як нишонаи Наврӯз ба шумор меравад. Аз 7 чизе ки бо ҳарфи се оғоз мешавад ва бо ҳарфи ше оғоз мешавад иборат мебошад. Инчунин хӯрокҳои махсус дар Наврӯз мавҷуд аст ки ин суманак ва пухтани палов мебошад. I read a new word and you must repeat after me. Renewal,
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 equinox,
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 recognize,
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 intangible,
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 root,
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 custom,
customs,
custom,
customs,
ritual,
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 influence,
influence,
influence.
influence.
Let's do activity. It is cluster about half scene. You must write 7 things that with word S, okay? With letter S.
Yes.
Okay, write down and do cluster. And now you must write 7 shin. 7 shin with letter F. You must make a cluster, okay? Okay, write down and do cluster.
It is a scene. It consists 17. There are carrots, sabzi, apple, C. Sipan, garlic, sirpiyoz, tuz, sir, green sabza, smolar.
It is afshin, it's kandus, 7 shir and milk shir, candle sham, shirbirin, syrup sharbat, sugar, shakar, kam shona, shini.
Okay, excellent. Sit down, take your seat. How about children answer about Hafsin and Hafshin?
Samsa.
Okay, class, it is a proverb. You must translate into English language. I say in Tajik language. Okay, stay in a line, please. Okay, what is your number?
My number is 1.
Okay, Kuzey, now open Kunu.
The new brown suits me.
Okay, excellent. High five. Next one. What is your number?
My number is 2.
Azgan Jabredu, Azgan Gandum.
Actually, it's going to be street.
Sansa.
My number is 16.
16. Dud be otash nameshavad.
There is no smoking with that iron.
Okay, excellent.
My number is
6. Beranj naoyat badas gan. Okay, excellent. Thumbs up.
My number is 5.
About to be joyful, but be more joyful.
Good people do
Okay, excellent. High five. What is your number?
My number is 13.
Khadra jab shavad daryo shavad.
Many amico mix and nickel, make a little mix and nickel.
Okay, excellent. High five. What is your number?
My number 19.
Okay, poyoni shabi siyok safedas.
After rain comes blaster.
Okay, excellent. Thumbs up.
My number is 15.
Your number is 15. بعد دادی وفاتون قول دادی اجرا کن.
We love to promise and look to cover from so little good damage.
Okay, excellent. High five. What is your number? 19, yes? Sanat abadis kötü.
Art is one life.
Thumbs up, sit down.
My number is 8.
Okay, kangri bisyor kun.
Actually, it's big look on the world.
Okay, excellent. Thumbs up.
My number is 14.
Okay, 14. Bisyor donistan manoy donoy nes.
No, I was a mistake. No.
Okay, excellent. High five.
My number is 3.
3. As pashe film so.
Don't make a written off on all.
Okay, thumbs up. High five. Okay, what is your number?
My number is 7.
Okay, libosin now aklo odo be insan nes.
It is not today, but the next season from me.
Okay, excellent. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
My name is 10.
10. Okay, my don as the letters.
Better the dog.
Okay, excellent.
My number is 4.
4. کاری امروز رو با فردا نگذار.
Never think until tomorrow that can be done today.
Okay, high five. Excellent.
My number is 11.
11. Der آید و شر آید.
11 was 11.
Okay, excellent.
My number is 12.
Okay, خوردی کلام کن.
Great boys, no rose.
Okay, excellent. High five. Next one. What is your number?
My number is 17.
خاکی وطن از تخت سلیمان بودن.
There is no place like home.
Okay, excellent. High five. Are you understand the new lesson?
Yes.
About Наврӯз?
Yes.
Our lesson is our.
наврӯз яке аз қадимтарин идҳои тоҷикон ба шумор меравад. тавре ки дар китобҳои таърихӣ омадааст, аввалин касе ки ин идро ҷашн гирифт подшоҳи форс бо номи ҷамшид буд. наврӯз бо қарори маҷмаи умумии созмони милали муттаҳид ба як иди ҷаҳонӣ табдил ёфтааст. тоҷикистон шояд тамоми ҳақро дорад ки соли нави худро аз наврӯз оғоз бикунад. наврӯз ба унвони иди баҳор ва эҳёи табиат дар кулли кишварҳои осиёи марказӣ ҷашн гирифта мешавад. наврӯз дар тоҷикистон ба таври расмӣ ҳар сол 21 март таҷлил мегардад. дар фарҷом омӯзгороне ки дар дарси кушод иштирок доштанд аз номи маъмурияти муассиса ба омӯзгори фанни забони англисӣ арзи сипоси хешро барои ташкил ва гузаронидани чунин як дарси кушоди намунавӣ баён намуданд.